Hello, Namaskar. Welcome back you all to another video, and today's topic is Mendel's dihybrid cross. And here why the term di is there, because here we have taken two pairs of contrasting characters. Now let us take one example for Mendel's dihybrid cross. First I will be taking seed collar, so that is yellow. This is dominant feature, and green is a recessive one. Now let us take another character, that is seed shape, and here in seed shape round and wrinkled will be taking. Now here round is dominant trait and wrinkled is a recessive trait. Now let us take the parents for Mendel's dihybrid cross. Now here you write parents, that will be round and yellow crossed with wrinkled and green. Now let us write the genotypes. For round we will be writing capital R, capital R. For yellow we will be writing capital Y, crossed with, for wrinkled corresponding small letter, that is smaller, smaller, and for green it is small y, small y. Now let us take the gametes. Now the gametes will be haploid. From each pair half will be passing. From this capital R it will be R, and from this small y, capital Y it will be capital Y. Now this combination of gamete for the first parent is capital R, capital Y. Now for this parent it will be small r, small y. Now what will be F1, first filial generation? So that will be capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. And this is a heterozygous condition, and here it will be round and yellow, because this among capital R, small r, capital R is dominant, so it will be expressing, and the phenotype will be round, and this capital Y, small y, capital Y will be expressing, and the color will be yellow color. And this is a heterozygous condition. Now let us take two of these heterozygous conditions for doing selfing. Now whenever we will be doing selfing, so F1 will be crossed with F1. So now let us do this selfing. F1 crossed with F1. Now let us take, it will be capital R, smaller, capital Y, small y combination will be crossed with capital R, smaller, capital Y, small y. Now let us see what will be the gametes. Now four types of gametes will be formed. Here law of independent assortment will be applicable. Now you see this capital R will be placed with capital Y or small y during the formation of gametes, and smaller can be placed with capital Y, smaller can be placed with small y. When any of the allele of the first pair can be independently taken with any other allele of other pair of contrasting feature. Now let us write the gametes. First one it will be capital R, capital Y, then it will be capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, another will be smaller, small y. Now here in the same way, capital R, capital Y, then capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y. Now it will be small r, small y. Now let us do the checkerboard for F2. Now here you see I am doing a checkerboard. It will be having 16 compartments. See here. Now let us take all the gametes. I am writing very quickly all the gametes. Then we will be doing the cross. Here capital R, small y, then smaller capital Y, smaller small y. Now let us cross these to these. Here male gamete one side, female gamete another side. Now here you see capital R, capital Y, capital Y. This will be round and yellow. Now come these to these. It will be capital R, capital Y, small y. Again round and yellow. Then come these to these. It will be crossed. Then capital R, smaller, capital Y. Now again it will be round and yellow. Then these to these, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Again this will be round and yellow according to law of dominance. Now come these to these, capital R, capital Y, small y. Again round, yellow. Then these to these, capital R, small y. This will be round, and the small y, it will be green. Now come these to these, capital R, capital Y, small y. Again it will be round and yellow. Now these to these, it will be capital R, small y. Again it will be round and green. Now come to the third row. Here again these to these, capital R, small r, capital Y. This will be round and yellow. Then these to these, again capital R, capital Y, small y, round and yellow. Now come to the third one, smaller, capital Y. Now the smaller, it will be wrinkled, homozygous recessive, and this capital Y will be yellow. Now come to the next one, smaller, capital Y, small y. Again this will be wrinkled and yellow. Now come to the fourth row. It will be capital R, capital Y, small y, and these to these. Again this will be round and yellow. Then come to the second one. These to these, capital R, small y. This will be round and green. Now come to the third one, smaller, capital Y, small y. This will be wrinkled and yellow. Now come to the last one, these to these. It will be smaller, small y, and this will be completely homozygous recessive, wrinkled and green. Now let us see what will be the phenotypic ratio. Now let us take phenotypes. Now here you see we have got 4 combinations. One is round and yellow. So how many places it is there? If you count, it will be coming 9 places. So 9 by 16 you will be taking. Then you come to round and green. In 3 places it is there. Then it will be wrinkled and yellow. Again in 3 places it is there. So it will be 3 by 16. Now the last category, that is wrinkled and green, that is in 1 place, that is 1 by 16. Now see the phenotypic ratio. It is 9:2, 3:2, 3:1. Now I hope you understood Mendel's dihybrid cross very nicely. Thank you.